What's going on, guys? It's me, Justin, Mr. CMB, back with another video. I'm actually just relaxing right now, just going through some stuff, got the game on. And so I'll go to check Twitter real quick, and I see Cardi B trending, talking about real estate, talking about how she's has a tenant and she owns a pretty sizable, her and her husband own a pretty sizable portfolio, but it's a lot of trouble. She had trouble, and it's always something with the property. I think she had in like Dominican Republic or Puerto Rico, I'm not really sure. I'll leave a link to the actual video in the description. But she was also talking about how a tenant didn't pay rent in 9 months, and how it's just like she was talking to her property manager, and where she's just like, they're so busy, they're just like, whatever, they don't even want to take them to court, wait till the lease is up. But guys, what you got to understand, I think people get into this first of all, this shouldn't discourage you from getting into real estate. What you guys have to understand is you're running a business, and in business there's always going to be risk. You just have to take calculated risk. And in business, sometimes you're going to take losses. That's just what it is. When things are going great, you prepare for when you hit a bump in the road. It happens to everybody. Now, you can minimize your risk, which is what you're supposed to do. Obviously, if you're having rental property, if you're getting into a rental property, that's what you want to do, and buy it with just enough money just to buy. That's probably not smart, because you always need some reserves. Because I can't remember that theory, but it's like, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. But also at the same time, this shouldn't discourage you. I think everybody should be in real estate. It's a way to secure your money, and it's a way to actually not just do that, but you can make money, especially, not taking risk, which is why, not taking too high of a risk, which is why I really like wholesale and auction properties. Even I would even say being an agent, if you're good, but most of them aren't good. But that helps you, but you should want to eventually own some property. That should never discourage you. These things just happen. It's part of the game, and you just got to understand that. So yeah, it can be frustrating. But you gotta understand, you gotta look at the long haul of things. Like, why are you buying real estate? Really just to secure your future. Is to be able to have something you could physically touch, feel. You could borrow against it if you choose to. Obviously the rental income, if you want to do that. This is why I say, even if you are buying rentals, you still should be creating more cash flow, higher cash flow with less risk by wholesaling. That's just what it is, and that's what I suggest. That's why I like wholesale and auction properties. So I'm gonna go back to enjoy my day. Just wanted to make this video because what she's doing is giving you the realistic aspect of it, because everybody wants to blow smoke up your ass like it's all good. And yeah, when it's good, it's really good. But you're gonna hit bumps in the road. But as long as you're consistent, and as long as you're growing, and as long as you're willing to learn and understand that, keep a level head in this game and not try to go for home runs every single time. Yes, you will hit home runs, but the base hits, it's like baseball. You want to get those base hits, start scoring. Go to first base, go to second base, go to home plate, score. First base, second base, third base, score. And so on and so forth. And, every now and then you walk around that diamond, you're going to get a home run. And sometimes you're going to strike out. But as long as you keep playing the game, getting up there, taking at bats, you'll be fine. You like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.